Alright guys, see about bit on the episode. So this tutorial now I want to design this landing page right this for your screen here. So what we'll go use for this tutorial now just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then we'll go use GSAP and to run some nice animations. So something like when we click on this see more facts here now, you see how the thing that animates come up here. And as it animates now, these items ready for the list here, they're just flying come out. Then we'll get something like video here. So if we click on the video like this now, you see how this panel now already like this one, I just animate, fill this whole area here. Then the video animates come as it should. Then it's our text for button here now. The caption is just flying. You get so something like this, and now I want just tidy for this particular tutorial. So any asha more enter the tutorial and more enter the code, more see how to run and pass. So if I go my text editor here, you see I say everything they blank. I never create anything here at all. I never do anything here at all. But what I don't do be see, I already do screenshot of the design so that we will use them as reference as we design our as we code our designs. They go like that. So I do them when this panel here just the half here, then when it is full like this, and when the video don't come up. So we're going to look all these pictures until they tidy our design. So I go use Emmet now to run my markups here. So if you don't really know Emmet, I already created tutorial for before. So if you check my, or better say, I'll just leave description to the, sorry, I'll leave a link to that MS tutorial for the description of this video. So with the MS, it can help us write faster HTML codes. So I just put Kenya here, then I go link my style sheets now. So I get to here the resets.css. Now they reset our browser default styles. Then we'll get the normal style.css now where our own custom styling go enter. So I just come in and say link, then css/resets or duplicates, then turn this one to style. So this our tutorial now, it gets some fonts we need from Google Fonts to run now. So we need two fonts. We need Mother and Poppins. So what I'll just do, I'll go open new tab here, then I'll type Google Fonts. So if I come this search now, I'll just put Mother. CSS document. I'll just click, then we'll select the ones we need. So I'll just select all of them. I might not need all of them, but I'll just select everything. So I'll just select all these ones now. So I'll go back, then I'll go type Poppins. So Poppins will come outside now. So we'll select. So this one gets italic version, but we're not going to need these italics because then we'll actually use CSS tidy on our own for our CSS style sheets. So now I'll just select all the fonts I need. What I need to do now to come this link. If I click on this import now, I can import the style, or I just select link. So I'll use the link method now. So I'll copy them. Then I'll go my code and I'll go paste. So I'll paste the font. So this font now will be accessible now for us to use for inside our design. So the next thing now, I'm going to link our JavaScript file. So I just say script source, then js/script.js. So that's one place we need to link again now. We need to link GSAP .js. So that's one I will get up on content delivery network. So I'll just say GSAP CDN for Google. It will bring out the link for us. So click the first one. So at the time of this tutorial now, the current version is here now, which is version 3.5.1. So I'll just click on this first link here now where they should copy URL. If I click if you come here now, then I'll do scripts with source, then paste the link. You get. Then if you look at our design, I'll show you see all these fonts where they are now. All this menu, navigation, all these things like that now. So these fonts now, to use them now, iron icons now we will use. You get, if you use any fonts where you like, but for this particular tutorial, iron icons now we will use. So I'll just search for Google. So they'll bring out the iron icons on me. I'll click on the first link here. So after I click the link, that's how I'll do. I'll just come usage. Then you see where they put installation. So you see, now here we'll copy these scripts. So we'll copy them now. We'll just go put them for inside our codes, and we should be good to go with our designs. So script source. Oh, I already copy them before self. All right. So we don't get basically all we need now to kickstart our design. So what we will do? We'll observe design first. So today now we say we get two areas now. This left hand side and this right hand side. So we'll go start the first design now with this right hand side. So when we finish right hand side finish now. Sorry, when we finish left hand side finish now, then we can move into the right hand side and go tidy the designs ready for this right hand side. So most of it left hand side. So what I go do now, I'll go my editor now, type, I'll create new class wrapper. Then this wrapper now go get two shide classes now. So one will be left pane, while the second one now will be right pane. This here. So inside this left pane now, we get this logo, this navigation, this indicator now where they show the current slide, because this thing will be like slide. Show you this navigation, although we'll not go code all those parts, but just indicator. Then you get this Kenya font, this Kenya text here. Then we'll call get this plenty paragraph on here and this navigation. So first thing first, I'll go do, we'll create header where go wrap our logo and our menu bar here. Then we'll create section where we wrap the remaining items. So more run now. So that I'll do, I'll come this left pane, I'll just say we'll first put up a container. We'll wrap up a container because we need to centralize the design. See here, this space here, from here to here, and from here to this other place. Now space there. So we need to centralize. So we will wrap all those items now here for inside container. So inside the container, we'll go get our header. So the header now, it will contain logo, then it will contain nav button. Then this logo will contain H1, while the nav button will contain our nav icon. Get. So, that's how I do just now. I'm not write this thing well. Header dot logo plus in fact, I'm gonna keep myself for this image first. So inside this logo now we'll get H1. So H1 we'll type Africa. Then this nav button now, we need to get this icon where do this place now. So to get this icon what we will do, I'll go my browser here, then see the iron icon now. So we'll come the icons, we'll search for menu here. So you see the menu. So we know it's item because it's too thin at the field, or maybe the sharp now we need. So we'll just collect this field. So when I click on this feed now, you see I say this shaper than the outline. So when I click on the icon itself, it will bring out this say I'm seeing a web component code. So we'll do over on this one, we click on them, it also copy there, meaning we'll not copy this code not to our clipboard. So that I'll go back to my code now. Then inside nav button, I'll just paste this code that we'll copy. So if I go back, refresh, you see it show Africa, then this nav button. So the next one we need now, we need to create this indicator here now. So we'll get 0, 1, 4, then this long tab or long line where they. So if we do it, if we wrap all these things, or this if we make them as span. So this 0, 1 go inside span tag, 0, 4 go this span tag. Why this long line now? It will be empty span tag. You get it will be empty span tag, so that if we use CSS now take style when we want to do the designs. Then this other key and I will be H1. Why this text for you as usual, it will be normal paragraph. So I'll go my my text editor now. Then just after the header here, I'll come down, I'll create section. So this section, it will get div, what we'll call dot carousel indicator. Then inside the carousel indicator, we'll get the 3 span. So span times 3. So the first span I will get 0, 1. While the last span will be 0, 4. So this means now say this middle span I will not put anything. Why? Because now we want to use our CSS now take style. You get. So we'll not get this carousel indicator here now. I might just refresh our browser first. Okay, which is this. Then after this carousel style now, this carousel indicator will come in now. We'll just create new div now. We'll call our content. So this content now will get H1. They'll type Kenya. Then if you get paragraph, I'll just put lorem. Just for that dummy text. But if you want to get the read text shower I use for this place, see say not be dummy text here now. If you want to get the read text, if you just come this list now, if you just type Kenya, because I just do with that Kenya, then I'll just copy this text about Kenya here. Yes, yeah. Control C. Okay. I'll cancel this one. So I'll go back to my code here. Inside this rubbish text right here now. This dummy now. We'll put the original one, which is Kenya text. Go back, I refresh, and I get these items. So you know what? Most style this part first there. Style and arrange this place before we consider how we take a run this our navigation here. So what I go do now, I'll go my style, I'll target the wrapper. So this wrapper now, we will say maybe the width be 100%, then height could be 100 view height. So we'll collect the view height of our browser, which is from this very part now to this very part. So if say maybe your screen size is different now, still from here to here, now will collect maybe the view height of that your screen size. So after I put up now, I'll just make the background color off-white. That off-white color now is #EB. We'll always have for this channel. So display flex, so that the left and the right hand side and they go this side by side. I make a display first. Then position relative, just in case we will make another thing absolute, maybe another flap and that. We'll just set overflow it instead I go wrap a contents. So after I do this one now, we'll target the left pane. Then I'll give a width of like 45%. Then height go inherit. also set overflow heating. It's coming the now. I'll drink my pure water. All right, so overflow heating. So we'll just target the right pane first. We'll not do anything here, sure, but we'll just target them. So the right pane will be 55%. The reason why I'm not making 50-50 be say if you look design, I see from this black now, where be the right hand side now, reach the end here, it is wider than from this place reach this other left hand side. So now make it equal. So background color, we'll just say yellow, then okay. So if I go back and I refresh, you see I'm now. Then at the right, sorry, now this purple on the right one, this one at the left one. So we'll just leave on purple star, we'll just see this symbol. We'll come out this yellow for here now. Come out this yellow. So now, what we need to do first now, we'll first tie this Africa and this nav bar here. Most centralize the items, most centralize them, because if you look and say the ends to end now, if we add padding, but we'll not go put padding just yet. We'll set width to the container itself. That means this container here, this one. So we'll set width to this container itself. So we'll just do. I'll break this one, go down. Okay. So left pane. Left pane dot container. Left pane dot container. We'll just say display block. Then we'll set the width to 90%. So width now gonna be 90% of this yellow area here now. So you get, so the width of the container gonna be 90% of this place. So you know feel ends to end. You see, I'm not gonna do ends to end. So by the time we refresh now, space supposed come out here. You see the space now. Space don't come out here. So we need to centralize this content now. So to centralize now, what we will do, we will come this place now, we'll say margin 0 or 2 to centralize. You get. So if I refresh now, you see I'm now, we don't centralize. So space there, space there. So they get the accurate space here. But that's the fine now. The more they match they go. So I go set position. Should I say position? Okay. I just say position relative. Then padding. So we'll say padding should be 40 pixel and 0. So this 40 pixel now, so it will affect the top and the bottom. While the 0 now will be left and right. You get, so it's like would they say padding top and padding bottom and maybe 40 pixel, why the padding left and the padding right now maybe 0 pixel. So if I go back refresh now, you see how I don't give us the space here. You see space there. So space there, space the bottom here. So we need to shift this navigation now, this navigation bar now, shift and come this place. You get. So what we need to do, we go target the left pane. We'll target the header. We'll target the header because the header now the header now they wrap the logo and that nav now. So we'll say display flex. So display flex now what you go do be say it go make sure say these two now they side by side. You see so this one no break on down again. If I refresh now, see this side by side. But we need to push and come the ending. So to push and go the ending, We'll come here, we'll say justify content to center. No. Space between. Space between. So the space between, we say it could add space now. You see, add space in between. Then we'll come down, we'll just say align items center. All right. So now we'll do this one now. We'll target the H1. So the H1 now, it inside logo, abi. Dot type. I'll copy this again. Our smartness not because of these things. Okay. So we want to target this H1. So we'll enter header, enter logo, then come jump the H1 here. So header dot logo, then H1. So what we'll do, we'll go use font family now. Select the font what we want. So Poppins, then comma, sans serif. So this is that when we say it go search for this Poppins now. You get if it installed for inside maybe the server or the user system, or it didn't install for our codes. It didn't install for our code. But if it's not installed now, then you go just pick any sans serif fonts, use them for us like that. Then I'll set my font size to 1.5 EM. Then font width will be 900. So if I go back refresh, you see and say we don't get this one here, and it does they resemble. So we'll target this one, we'll do this one. So to do that one, I'll just copy this item, paste down here, then nav button. You get, because now the nav button now, just after it is side by side logo. So this nav button, we go set the font size to like 2 EM, then cursor pointer, so that by the time we hover our mouse on it go show that hand icon. You see, it show the hand icon. You get. So we'll not design this part, but this is our video not too long, so I'll just end them here. Then the next video will continue from this section to start this section. So you know the now. I made your label big time for double start now. So like the channel, subscribe, and you know the now. See you now for the next video.